one of the biggest problems that we all have, including me right now, even right now, I have a training management system, right? I got HR management, and I got CRM, and a lot of systems. And then the thing is, I need to make decisions based on one data, like TMS, I got some data, figure out something, and then extract something and do decision on another platform. So one problem is that my system do not talk to each other, therefore I can't automate, right? Because if they can't talk to each other, how do I make them automate? So what happened is that this usually means a human being would have to transfer data between these systems, like us. So you can see on the left, there's someone doing copy and pasting. Now, there is a solution to this. No, it's not like there's no solution. There is easily a solution for this. It's called APIs. I think a lot of you guys know APIs. So APIs are like gateways to make one software talk to another software. That's what APIs are. So now that I've told you this, you'll be thinking, okay, so problem is solved, right? I just create APIs everywhere. So if I want to automate something from my CRM to my TMS, the one that I have, right? Create an API between the two, and then make them talk to each other and automate whatever you want to do. So all the data transfer from the TMS to the HR management system, all make it go through API. So it sounds like a good idea. So we don't need RPA, right? So it's true until you look at the process. So if I'm a manager, I want to make that happen. I want to create an API, right? Look at what I have to do. I have to get a business analyst to look at ROI. I engage a system integrator, create the API. They'll plan it out for me. And then after that, we do development. After development, we do testing and development. Testing, right? We have to check whether the software works, the API works. Then finally, we end this. Can you see that the amount of lead time you take is super long, and the amount of investment is a lot as well. It's easily like 100K, 50K, 60K. So the risk on managers like us, is too much. So how to automate when you have so much risk when you want to automate? So this is the genius of RPA. So you see, instead of me trying to do the stuff on the left, right, where you have HRM, web app, CRM talking to each other using APIs, and then making them automate things through the APIs. What they do is that, okay, let's not do all that. It's too difficult to do all that. Instead, the guy who's actually interacting with the HRM, CRM, and the web app, that guy with the computer doing repetitive tasks, right? Let's take over his computer and do the repetitive tasks for him. So I don't try to automate at the CRM, HRM, web app level. I automate at the user level, take over the user's computer and do it for him. And that's the premise behind RPA. You get what I'm saying, right? So instead of trying to automate on the app level, you automate it on the user level, take over the computer. So there's literally a bot which is good with computer vision. That means it knows how to look at things and know that there's a button, there's a slider, and then it'll do things for you. So it solves a very important problem here. You want to automate stuff, you cannot create APIs everywhere, but you can make your computer automated through bots. And this is the genius of RPA.